Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special one. It is going to resolve one of the toughest issues of your life. Toughest means you are having severe intense feelings for someone. At the bottom of your heart, you really love someone. At the back of your mind, his memories or her pictures or the wonderful and the joyful moments, they keep on running through. However, due to certain unforeseen, unfortunate, unprecedented circumstances, your partner or your lover stop realizing your worth. He stops talking to you, and somehow you want to revamp your relationship. You want to get that love, that affection back into your life, which somehow you have feel that or you have felt that the pristine, the joy, the love, the emotion, the care somehow has got waned up or is slightly diminishing or somehow is in a gradual state of decrease. If you feel that somehow your partner has left or is unintentionally or intentionally has left his or her attentions towards you, or that care is missing, then this is the boss of all spells. I would say this is the almighty boss of all the spells which are present all over the world. Yes, friends, you heard it right. This is the ultimate big boss, big father, the big D spell, which is gonna make sure that your partner comes to you immediately. Dear brothers and sisters, in order to practice this spell, you would be needing a one banana. You would be needing a banana, right? Then a red color marker, obviously, not obviously, but yes, you would be needing it, and a red color reel, right? If you have got pink color, for instance, you want to try it on your female partner, then you are going to use it pink color reel. However, if you are trying it on your male partner, that is your boyfriend, your husband, your friend, your boss, your neighbor, who is a male person, then you can try with a red color. Otherwise, you are going to try with the pink color. On Sunday sharp at 4:30 in the evening time. Dear brothers, make sure sharp 4:30 in the evening time on Sunday. What will you do? You will write down your target person name. For example, his name is Rabbil, right? If you do it diligently and you put your utmost care and your concentration on this, then I promise you that immediately your partner is gonna realize your worth. Then after that, you will write down his age. For example, it is 21. Then you are gonna write down your name, Write your name and your age. I hope everyone is clear with these instructions. So total of the age becomes 42. 21, 21, it becomes 42. Right? Now with this red color reel, what will you do? You will make 42 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you are gonna make 42 rounds. Right? I have made the 42 rounds. Right? I hope everyone is able to see it. Now what will you do? This is the most important thing. You are going to hold this banana under your arms. Under arms means where sweat of the body comes. Under arms means joining of hand with the shoulders. And while putting this under your arm, you are going to read this powerful words, Barik Ala Hamidum Mazid. Barik Ala Hamidum Mazid. You are going to read these powerful words. Once you have read those powerful words, still your underarm does not start getting sweat or it does not start paining. As soon as it starts paining, what will you do? You will take out the banana and will eat this banana in 29 seconds. In 29 seconds you make sure that you ate this banana. Once you have done it, you will feel that your negative vibes have started going out. You will close your eyes, will go on your couch, will go on your bed, will relax yourself, sit down and will think all the positive moments which you want to spend with your partner. Once you have done it, it will make sure that you get all the results and you don't face any other sort of issues. If you have any doubt regarding this spell or you want to know something regarding this spell, then you can call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.